Healing with an egg in African tradition, a step-by-step guide. Welcome to this journey into the timeless tradition of Africa, where ancient wisdom meets holistic healing. Today, we will explore a fascinating practice: how to heal with an egg. Across African tradition, the egg is not just a food, it is a symbol of life, renewal, and transformation. Before you use the egg for healing, I want you to know that the egg is created by the Creator following the same pattern the world was created. So when you hold the egg in your hand, remember that you are holding the whole world in your hand. Through a simple yet powerful ritual, it is believed to draw out negative energies, illnesses, and spiritual disturbances in your body. Now, let's dive deep into the step-by-step process. To begin this ritual, you will need a fresh egg, preferably from a native chicken. This egg becomes your vessel for healing. Find a quiet space, free from distraction, where you can focus your intention. In African spirituality, your personal spirits or vital force plays a key role in this art. So, start by acknowledging your inner spirit and your ancestors, asking for their guidance and blessings. This isn't just a ritual, it is a spiritual connection. So, speak your intentions clearly, inviting positive energy into your space. Now, take the egg in your hand. Begin at the top of your head. Roll the egg gently over your body. This process symbolizes the transfer of negative energy or illness into the egg. Focus on your areas where you feel discomfort or tension. While doing this, say words of release like, "As this egg absorbs negative energy, it carries away all harm and restores my well-being and healing." Move slowly, allowing yourself to feel the energy shift in your body. This is a moment of self-care and renewal. Once this cleansing is complete, the egg is no more ordinary. It holds the negative energy you have released. Proper disposal is essential to complete the ritual. So break the egg at a crossroads, symbolizing the release of energy back into the universe, or bury it in the earth, allowing nature to neutralize it, or throw it in the running or moving water, flowing water. Whichever method you choose, ensure it is done respectively and away from your home. After disposing the egg, cleanse yourself further by washing your hands and face. This symbolizes the final purification. Light a candle or incense and say a prayer of gratitude to your inner spirits and your ancestors. This step seals the healing process and invites harmony into your life. Feel the renewal within you. African tradition teaches us that healing is holistic. It is a physical, emotional, and spiritual process. Now you can follow the same step to heal another person. Do the same thing to another person and see the healing miracle that follows. Through this simple yet profound practice, we honor the wisdom of our ancestors and embrace the power of nature in our healing journey. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and let's continue to explore the beauty of African tradition together. Until next time, stay connected to this channel and to your spirit, and let your light shine. I am Chinaza Ikoma.